Under the strobe lights, we can let go of it all. After midnight, partying until tomorrow. Whatever happens tonight, we'll stay right by my side. So let's enjoy this celebration. We're having a party. It's a celebration. Celebration. Let's get this started. No more hesitation. Everybody wants to party. Celebration. I think you wanna come over. Yeah, heard it through the grapevine. Are you drunk? Are you sober? Think about it. Doesn't matter.
Hello, Patty. Happy birthday. Hello, Patty. Happy birthday. I wish you a happy birthday and take care of your health. All right. Bye.
Assalamualaikum, malay ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, Patty, from India. Happy birthday, Patty, from Japan.
Happy birthday, Patty!
Bye.
Wait lang. Happy birthday, Patty!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Tama na.
Happy birthday, Fatima! Bili!
Happy birthday, Fatima!
Hi, Patty. Happy birthday, girl. Wish ko, sana hindi ka magbago. More birthdays to come. And stay healthy, stay sexy, tsaka sana matapag mo yung mga wish mo. Okay? Ingat ka lagi. Bye! Happy birthday ulit!
Hello, Fatty! Happy birthday! Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana good health for you and for your family. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Patty.
Happy birthday, Patty!
Happy birthday, Fatima!
Bye!
So, babe, first of all, advance happy birthday. Ito yung dahilan kung ba't hindi ko sinasabi sa'yo. Tsaka yung pag-ilaw ng cellphone ko, pag nakikita mo sa kama, nakikita mo sa video, biglang umiilaw. Is this because, dito, si Ago, tinetext ako to make video para sa surprise nila sa'yo today. I'm not sure. Today. And kaya tinatanong din kita kung saan ka pupunta. Yun. So ngayon, pagkakanto-kanto mo na lahat. Okay? Tamang hinala mo. Get? Kaya hindi ko masabi-sabi sa kung about saan niya kung sino yung nagtatext sa akin. Kasi mawawala yung element of surprise. So, hindi na siya surprise. Kaya nga hindi ako ma-message ni Agot sa Facebook kasi nga mababasa mo for sure. Kasi hahalongkatin yung Facebook ko. Tamang hinala ka. So, yun. And all I can say is happy birthday. Advance happy birthday. And enjoy your birthday. On Monday, enjoy this night with baby. And always take care of baby. And huwag ka na magtamang hinala. Kasi hindi na ako bata para pagtakhan na tapos na ako sa stage na gano'n. Okay? So, gusto ko na is mag-work para mabilis tumakbo yung araw. And then, alam mo yun, para hindi na malayo na yung panahon tumatakbo na. So, para magkasama tayo. And that's it. So, advance happy birthday again, even though sa Monday pa yung birthday mo, and double pay ko yan. Kasi nga birthday mo. Okay, so enjoy this night, and see you later. I love you. Bye.